Grubhub Perks give you deals on the food you love. The kind of deals that make your boogie.
Oh no. It's that fucking Grubhub commercial again.
But Captain, why the hell is it playing in front of us on the runway?
That doesn't matter right now. It's time to put an end to this madness, once and for all.
I agree. I can't stand this ad anymore. Fire up the engines. Nice job, Captain, but engine 1 is on fire.
Don't worry, we have like only 10 passengers, one engine will be enough. Think about all the people we have saved from viewing this abomination. Now let's get out of here.
With the Kroger app, you can get personalized coupons on top of weekly
Oh, fun.
sales.